All aboard the History Express? Did you know the first stamp featuring a train was issued in 1869 by the United States? Let's take a ride back in time. This groundbreaking stamp showcased a steam locomotive, celebrating the railways that powered America's expansion and progress in the 19th century, a true marvel for collectors and history buffs. Other popular train-themed stamps include the UK's 1980 stamp series commemorating the rocket and flying Scotsman, India's 1976 stamp celebrating its first passenger train journey, and Japan's 2014 stamp honouring its famous Shinkansen bullet trains. Train stamps capture the journey of progress and innovation. Love this fun fact? Like and subscribe for more fascinating stories.